Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am over my sister's house again. Y'all know I did recently a makeover for my niece, and I'm back over here to do a makeover in my sister's room. Y'all, she's been begging for me to do her room. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what we're gonna do. First things first, I'm gonna do her bed makeover, and then I'm gonna build her some bedside tables, and then we're gonna do a full room makeover. I'm so excited. I think I'm gonna break them down and just include each other.
Yeah, I'm so excited.
I think I'm gonna break them down for you. Excited too?
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and redo her room also. So let me show y'all what we're starting with in the beginning. Okay guys, here's the list of measurements that I use for my headboard and the type of wood that I need. I always get so many questions on measurements, so here they are. If I showed y'all my plans, y'all would not be able to read them. So here, I hope y'all can read this. And then this screenshot is the list of cuts for my frame. So the first one was the headboard, and this is for the frame. the front piece of the bed, which is slightly longer, then it's an interesting shape. So I'm gonna attach these side pieces that I cut down earlier. Ugh, if I can get it up. Okay. They are. They're the same length. I'm just gonna attach them to the side. Yeah. Okay. This is looking promising, y'all. Okay guys, it is day number 2 at my sister's house and I'm back. Let me show y'all where I left off yesterday. So I finished all, okay, oop, almost fell. So this is the headboard and I didn't bring my foam all the way down as we talked about yesterday because the mattress and the bed spring will actually come up a little bit up to there. And then here's my frame pieces, everything that needs foam. And then as y'all can see, here are my wings. Me and my mom struggled all night working on these pieces that we sewed, but they look good. So it looks pretty good, you know, good for some people who don't sew. So what I'm gonna do today is work on everything that needs upholstering. Actually, that's the entire bed. So what am I talking about? So I'm just gonna upholster everything and then hopefully I can start putting the bed together this evening also, but I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'll probably work on the easier pieces first. Actually, I'll work on the headboard first, and then I'll do the frame. All right, so we're gonna cut off this extra batting so it won't look chunky when I fold it over. You'll lay as flat as possible, which is the goal. You don't even want it to be that noticeable. I'm trying to cut it without cutting the fabric. Okay, there we go. So on the other side, I just kind of took it, folded like that. So when that wing sits on this side, you won't even see it. All I'm gonna do is staple it down. Let's make sure it's tight. There we go. cut off all this excess fabric. Then I'm gonna lay it straight. That's as good as we're gonna get, but it looks good, y'all. Oh. Then cut off all this excess fabric, cause it's not needed. But y'all, this bed, I honestly, let me just chat with about me building my own furniture lately. I personally, I enjoy it. I enjoy being able to get luxury furniture for cheaper. This bed was about almost $4,000 on the website. And I don't know about y'all, but I'm just not, I don't want to pay that much for a bed. I feel like growing up, you can get some nice quality full sets of, a full furniture set with dresser, bed, bedside tables for that much. So I don't know, in my head, I just feel like it just doesn't add up. Now, I'm not, dissing anybody's quality, because if they paid that much to make it, or close to that, great. But I've been able to, give my sisters, my mother, myself, great quality pieces, and they're very sturdy. Once I hook it up to the other ones, it's gonna be great. But I hope that y'all can build y'all own furniture too and learn from me what I'm giving you all the knowledge, hopefully. So far, the bed is pretty much done. All I'm gonna do is add on the black backing so that it will look good and it looks professional. I just like to add that touch, just to add that professional touch to my pieces. Okay, so I'm doing the wings, and all I'm doing is take this piece that I worked on last night and I'll insert the clip. I'm taking a piece of batting and putting it around here. That's all. Around. Now that that's out the way, we're gonna take the slip cloth. Me and my mother worked hard all night to get this done, so I can slip this on pretty easily and make sure it's centered. Okay, so now I have my fabric. All I'm gonna do is pull it tight and then screw it down. Okay.
What's your sign?
Oh, A 2.5-inch screw. Put it on this side. And it's screwing into the other board too, so it's holding it on. And then if you try to pull this board, if you try to pull that board, it's not moving anywhere. So that's how you attach these two pieces together. I promise you y'all, I searched so long on how to do this. I did so much research and I couldn't find it, but that's how you do it. It's very simple. It's not as hard as you may think. So if you're looking to make a winged headboard, that is all you have to do. Here's how the bed turned out. I love it. I think it is beautiful. This is a king size bed and it looks so amazing. I was able to build it so much cheaper and still keep the quality. Let me know if you all enjoyed this video. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.